past 24 hours registered the highest single-day spike of 1,327 coronavirus cases with 15 fatalities. These fresh cases have been detected after testing 6,852 samples according to the COVID-19 Command Control Room of Manipur government. Today's positivity rate was 19.4%. India recorded 42,050 new coronavirus cases and 3,998 deaths in the last 24 hours, ending at 8 a.m. on Wednesday. With this, total cases have risen to 3,12,16,337. Nearly 37,000 recoveries were reported yesterday as per the Union Health Ministry. The daily positivity rate at 2.27%, less than 3% for 30 consecutive days. A doctor in Assam was found to be infected by two different coronavirus variants of concern, both Alpha and Delta, but her condition is nothing to be alarmed about according to officials. No death due to lack of oxygen has been specifically reported by the states and union territories. Union Minister of State for Health and Family Welfare, Bharati Pravin Pawar, informed Rajya Sabha on Tuesday. The government, however, said there was unprecedented surge in the demand of medical oxygen during the second wave of COVID-19. Meanwhile, Muslims across the country are observing the annual festival of Eid al-Adha or Eid al-Juha under the shadow of the COVID pandemic. Officials have urged devotees to celebrate while observing appropriate COVID protocols. Bhakta Charan Das, a former Union Minister and All India Congress Committee Secretary in charge of Manipur, arrived in Imphal on Wednesday morning on a two-day visit to examine various issues facing the party, according to a report in The Hindu. The visit comes even the Supreme Court verdict in the Congress disqualification case against 12 MLAs in Office of Profit matter is awaited on July 26. Earlier, the Manipur High Court had disqualified the 12 legislators who were appointed as parliamentary secretaries by the BJP government of N. Biren Singh in 2017. Talking to reporters at the Imphal International Airport, Das said that he would hold talks with Congress MLAs and others ahead of the reorganization of the party in Manipur. In reply to a question, he said that there was no demand for changing Congress Legislative Party leader Okram Ibobi. Replying to a question, Das said that all problems, including the reported resignation letter of the Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee President Govindas Konthauzam, would be discussed. He said that the post of the MPCC President was a very responsible one and there should be no acts of indiscipline which the party would not tolerate. Apart from the resignation letter of Konthauzam, some newspapers had published reports to the effect that 4 Congress MLAs from the Bali districts and another 4 MLAs from the Hill districts may join the BJP. He said he would also hold talks with the state leaders on the strategy of the March 2022 assembly elections in Manipur. Sources said that state Congress leaders had provisionally selected an MLA for the post of working president, as it was likely that the resignation letter of Konthauzam would be accepted. A team of Imphal West District Police led by SP Dr. S. Ibomcha Singh today distributed face masks to children at Paubitek and Mayang Imphal Bengun during Eid celebration. Spending ₹10-20 daily for face masks is a problem for poor children, the Imphal West Police noted. They have been advised to celebrate Eid by following COVID SOP and guidelines. An earthquake of magnitude 4.1 on the Richter scale jolted Meghalaya and neighboring Assam at 2:10 a.m. on Wednesday. The news has been confirmed by the National Center of Seismology. The National Center for Seismology in a tweet said the earthquake occurred at a depth of 10 km. The epicenter of the earthquake was located 42 km from the northeast of Tura in West Garo Hills district of Meghalaya. Wangzing MLA Paunam Brozen has appealed that citizens residing in 8 assembly segments from the Bali, which falls under the reserved seat, should be allowed to contest elections in the state. His appeal comes in the wake of Rajya Sabha MP from Manipur, Leisemba Sana Jauba, raised a demand in the ongoing monsoon session of Parliament to include 8 assembly constituencies in the Bali in the Inner Manipur. While the unreserved seat of Inner Manipur Parliamentary Constituency represents the people from the Bali districts, the Outer Parliamentary seat, which is a reserved seat for scheduled tribes, technically representing tribal people of the state. In a video released to the press today, MLA Brozen expressed happiness over the move by MP Sana Jauba. Brozen said people in the 8 constituencies have been exercising their franchise for the last 7 decades without having the right to contest elections. He said the demands to be fulfilled in the interest of people in these constituencies. Langtabal MLA Karam Sham has extended his best wishes to the 5 sportspersons of the state: Kumari Likmabam Sushila Devi Judo, Kumari Saikom Mirabai Chanu weightlifting, MC Marycom boxing, Kumari Pukharmam Sushila Chanu hockey, and Sanglakpam Nilakanta Singh hockey, who are participating in the 32nd Summer Olympic Games to be held in Tokyo, Japan from July 23 to August 8, 2021, representing India. In a message, Siam said he praised the Almighty that they could give their best performance to bring the name of the nation. He also extended best wishes to all other sportspersons who are participating in these Olympic Games representing India. Elangbam Ranjita, wife of Kishore Chandra Wangkhemcha, an NSA detainees, has appealed to Manipur Chief Secretary to initiate action to release her husband from Central Jail Sajiwa, Imphal. Kishore Chandra Wangkhemcha, an Imphal-based journalist, was arrested by Manipur police in May last, along with activist Irendro Laichombam, allegedly over their Facebook post. The Manipur Police Department had said Imphal West Police arrested Wangkhem and Irendro from their respective homes following a complaint filed against them by BJP General Secretary P. Pramananda Maite and BJP Vice President Usam Devan, based on their Facebook post following the death of Manipur BJP President Professor Saikom Tikendra Singh. Wangkhemcha is a resident of Kaisamthong Moyang Ningthau in Imphal West. In a letter to the Chief Secretary, Wangkhemcha's wife Ranjita stated that her husband has been detained in Central Jail Sajiwa under NSA since May 17 this year, along with one of the detainees, namely Irendro Laichombam, whose NSA has been revoked by your office on July 19 by an order. The allegations and evoking section of law against the said 2 detainees are same. She said and added that her husband's detention order has not been revoked by the concerned authority. She requested the Chief Secretary to revoke the NSA slapped against her husband.